Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP, bringing the Movement Monday. And this is the how to hold. And this one's going to be a little bit different than maybe what you're typically seeing on how to teach a how to hold. And if you're not familiar with it, we'll go over that as well. If you're new to it, we're going to show some modifications on this video. We're going to show how I like to set people up, again, so that we're working the core, not hurting the back or the hips, and go over why this is probably one of my favorite go-tos for midsection work as opposed to the common plank or some other movements out there. So stay tuned for a hollow hold tutorial on today's Movement Monday. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I like to set up the hollow hold, and it's probably gonna be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing, because I haven't really seen it coached this way, but this is how I coach it here to make sure that we're ensuring activation of the abs and good alignment, and this way we can also modify from the position, right, Ava? So anyways, excuse me. So the way I like to set up is I like to start out like this, where my hands are by my side, my knees are up, and I like to crunch, so I already feel the abs activating. From there, I'll just straighten the legs, and I know where my range is, but this is a good way for you to find. And then hands here. You might already feel some core tension, and this might be, watch it, oh Dave, I want them to see me. Okay, right here. And then from there, you want to keep the legs as straight as possible. Then you start to lower, and you can even start to bring the hands out. Now, if you start to feel your low back as you lower the legs, what you can do is reach your hands here. And yeah, then that means your hips and your quads are pulling. So Jalen's saying he's feeling on his quads. Well, that's because when you think about it, we're all a kinetic chain. We're all connected. Our quads, our hips are attached to our abs. So if your abs aren't firing for whatever reason, or you got some alignment, then the hips are going to start pulling on the quads. So that's where, again, we start out like this. Maybe we start here, and you just go to where you still feel the abs. Now, if you start to lower, like I said, you start to feel a back arch. Maybe we lift up. Maybe we lift up here. Really, the only thing that should be on the ground is your lower back. But then once you get more advanced, it should look like something like this. But with this, you can kind of find out what your range is, where you're able to go. And then you just hold. From here, once you get better at it, you could add things like hollow body hold flutter kicks. You know, you could add weighted resistance like this, like a plate or a band behind you. Again, similar setup. You don't want to just go into it. And then you could hollow hold weighted, hollow hold pullovers, all kinds of fun variations on the hollow hold. One of my favorites one of my favorite core moves, because you're getting everything in that position. It's also a transfer over, watch out, move your hand, Ava. It's also a transfer over effect for things like pull-ups, push-ups, and a lot of movements you'll be doing in the gym that can just aid to better foundation. Squats, deadlifts, all those things. How hold is going to complement those movements better than, Ava, come on, but complement those movements better than like something like a plank or things like that that you might commonly see. So go ahead and give this a try. Try the variations first. Try how we set this up. If you have any further questions, even how to, Ava? So Ava's working the camera today, and we're just going to roll with it. But we're wrapping it up here, Ava. So you just want to keep it on me? That'd be awesome. Yeah, there you go.
Can I say it this time?
Just keep it straight. Okay, I hope you guys can deal. Ava, just leave it right there. All right.
I can still see you.
Anyways, well, that's all I got. If you guys need anything else, you know what to do. Reach out to us. Hope you can still see me on here. We're going to just roll with this because we know this is the life of a lot of people, and everybody loves some kids. Right, Jay?
Uh-huh.
Anything else?
Don't give up, try your best, and have fun.
Yep.
And I want to say that. Okay.
That's
What
like
do you
on
wanna
my,
say?
oh my God, get it out of my eyeball. That's what I want to say.
What do you want to say?
Hey, thanks for checking out videos just like these. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click on notifications below to stay up to date on all these videos that we post here throughout the week. And again, tag a friend underneath if you think they might benefit from these videos. And if you need further training or further information or a little more personalized programming to meet your needs, we can create a customized roadmap to meet your needs here at FlexMP. Just click on that link below. Again, contact us today at FlexMP to get you moving better, living better, and feeling better.